Valentine's Day is less than 5 days away, but we can continue to spread the love to local businesses in Geneseo all month long. Oakwood Tax Service is run by Roger Eichman, who is a tax preparer based in Geneseo. Roger Eichman can assist you with your tax return preparation and planning needs. Don't forget to start your taxes early. One Step Inc. is a brand and media management company that offers design, print, and creative marketing solutions to help you maximize your brand awareness. They are driven by their ability to help you increase your brand awareness and overall growth of your company. Whether you need residential, commercial, or tile cleaning, One Way Carpet and Upholstery Cleaning has got you covered. Over the years, they have perfected their cleaning methods and spotting techniques to give customers maximum cleaning results. If a stain will come out, One Way will get it out. O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Doing their best to keep your car on the road for over 65 years. Stop in for all your auto part needs. Pegasus Fine Gifts in downtown Geneseo features a fantastic selection of gifts for every occasion. They also offer a variety of coffee, cocoa, and energy drinks, as well as sweets and treats for every season. Get oven hot pizza fast from your local Pizza Hut in Geneseo. Enjoy favorites like original pan pizza, breadsticks, Wing Street wings, Hershey's chocolate chip cookie, and more. A family-owned John Deere dealership in Geneseo, Illinois, Prairie State Tractor was formed from the merger of Holland & Sons and KSR Equipment. Visit them at 939 US Highway 6 East in Geneseo for new and used John Deere equipment. They carry a complete inventory of tractors, mowers, and other agricultural equipment. Find the top stories and more at the QC Times. Quad Cities Investment Group, LLC, is an SEC-registered investment advisory firm offering personalized financial advice, planning, and asset management. As always, don't forget to give a little love on social media. Thanks for loving local, Geneseo.